WhatsApp template messages. So this WhatsApp template messages helps you to send any sort of updates via WhatsApp to your existing customer list. So here WhatsApp template messages is a powerful way to send valuable information to your customers. You can deliver them reminders, notifications, customized updates, or even any sort of marketing messages as well. So you can only send this sort of WhatsApp template messages only to your existing contacts, or if you already get their permission to send WhatsApp messages. So when it comes to WhatsApp template messages, there are actually three different kind of categories, such as marketing. So you can send any sort of marketing related promotions through WhatsApp, or utility, let's say any sort of updates regarding their account, and also authentication. So authentication, you can actually send any sort of OTP codes to the WhatsApp to verify any sort of actions related to your accounts. For an example related to authentication, we already have another video on our channel here, phone number verification through WhatsApp OTP. So here in this video we are actually discussing about how to collect a phone number on the Instagram and send an OTP automatically to their WhatsApp number, and from there verify their phone number on the Instagram. So this is one of the use case related to authentication. So to create your WhatsApp template messages, so here I am in the analytics tabs. Head over to settings over here, and you have to ensure your WhatsApp channel is connected. So here if you go to channels, click on WhatsApp. Here you can actually find a guide on how to connect WhatsApp channel within our platform. So once you have connected, you will see these sort of options: disconnect, reconnect, and also manage. So if you click on manage, it will allows you to manage your existing WhatsApp business manager account over here. So here this is the number over here, and here you can find the useful links related to analytics, payment methods, payment history, and here you can update your profile over here, and this is the template message over here. So here when it comes to WhatsApp template messages, you have to first create your WhatsApp template message and submit for the verification for the Meta or WhatsApp business. So once they verified your message, then only you can actually send those messages to your customers. So there is a little bit a procedure over here. And as you see here, if I go to the WhatsApp business messenger, so here we have different kind of categories. For example, OTP phone number verification is the name of the message, and it's related to the authentication category, and it's already approved. So you can only send this particular WhatsApp message template only if it is approved. So here if you click on manage over here, it will take you directly to the WhatsApp business templates manager over in the Meta. So here it will take you directly over here, and here you will have the option to create a new template. So these are the existing template messages we have already on our account. So if you want to create new messages, you can actually create here as well. So here for example, welcome your customers, thank you for connecting with us WhatsApp, please visit our profile. So these are some of the examples. So dear customer, this is the winter discount coupon code, and this is the authentication order confirmation. So here you have some sort of templates as well. Otherwise you can actually create your own as well. So let me click on create template over here, and here first you have to choose the category. So marketing, if you want to send any sort of promotion or information about your business, products, services, or any message that isn't utility or authentication. So if you want to send utility message about a specific transaction, account, or order, or customer request. And authentication, it's, as I mentioned earlier, it's related with sending one-time password to your customers. So here let's choose a marketing over here, and here there are two options: send promotional offers announcement to increase awareness and engagement, or send messages about your entire catalog as well. So here if you already have a Meta catalog, you can actually connect that one over here and send or view, allows customers to view your Meta catalog of products within the WhatsApp itself also. So there is also another option right here. So let me simply choose as a customer over here, and here discount or something like that. Let me name is as a discount, and here you can actually add your language. So let me choose English and just choose English over here, and click continue over here. And here you can actually draft your whatever the message you want to send to your customer, and here you can also add whatever the variables you want to have as well. So let me simply create a very simple discount message over here. So let me update this message. This is your 20% discount code, expires in 24 hours. just for the demo, and an option to visit the website as well. So here you have to, I think we have to enter the HTTPS as well. Let's see. All right, it's updated, and here you can simply submit for the review. Everything is confirmed and you can submit for the review. So if I refresh, or it's automatically refreshed and it says in review. So once it is actually approved, then only you can actually send this message. So usually sometimes it will upload in just a few minutes. Let's see what happens over here. So if it is approved, we can simply send the message, otherwise it's not possible. And here in the settings or in the WhatsApp Business Manager, if you click on synchronize over here, you can find the latest as well. So here discount, and it's already approved as well. So if I refresh here, we should see as approved status for this particular WhatsApp template message we just created, and as you see here, it's already approved. So now we can actually send this message to your customers. So here for the demo, what I'm going to do here is that let me go to the inbox over here. So this is one of the WhatsApp chat over here, WhatsApp contact, as you see here, WhatsApp icon. So here I want to create or add a new tag for this. So let's add this tag admin over here. So I want to send this approved WhatsApp template message we have created over here only to this particular contact. So that's why I added a specific tag admin over here. Let's see if it was. So here, first of all, we have to actually create a flow to send that particular WhatsApp template message. So let me go to the flows over here and create the flow name as discount WhatsApp template. Discount WhatsApp template. So let me create that one over here. This is the flow, discount WhatsApp template. So here what you have to do is you have to choose WhatsApp over here, and from here you have to choose the template message, and here you have to choose what is the template message you want to send. So in this case, we want to send this particular discount over here. So here it's already updated with the website address link as well. So here click publish. So now we can actually send this as a broadcast to your WhatsApp contacts, but in this example we want to send this as a broadcast message to only this particular contact which has the admin tag over here. So let me go to the broadcast option over here, and here click send over here. It will provide, so in the broadcast, let me choose a WhatsApp over here, and here we are going to send this template message. Click continue, and here what's the flow? Discount WhatsApp template. So that's the flow we just created. Here that's the flow, and here when you want to send, and we want to add the tag because we want to send only to that particular contact over there, and the tag is admin over here, and we should see only one contact over here because only one contact exists with this particular tag admin. So that's how you can actually filter contacts based on the tags, and when you send a broadcast. In this case we have only one contact, and let me click send over here. So receivers 1, so it should actually send the broadcast. Let's see how this actually works, and it says sent. And if I open my Instagram or my WhatsApp over here, and as you see here, I received the message. This is 20% discount code, chat 20 expires in 24 hours. And if I click on this buy now button, when I clicked on that button, it simply take me directly to this particular website because that's a website link we actually provided in the WhatsApp button over here. So that's how you can actually utilize WhatsApp template messages to send any sort of promotions, updates, or notification to your contacts through WhatsApp. If you have any other questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.